يلا بينا نحل مع بعض بطريقة سهلة. السؤال الأول: An artist always uses a paintbrush and a. نفكر كده، الرسام بيستخدم إيه مع الفرشة؟ طبعاً لوحة الألوان، يبقى الإجابة palette. السؤال التاني: She was by her father's success. يعني نجاح والدها خلاها إيه؟ اتحفزت ولا اتأحبطت؟ أكيد اتحفزت، يبقى الإجابة inspired. السؤال الثالث: He, to me, because he didn't want anyone to hear. مش عايز حد يسمع. يبقى هيزعق ولا هيهمس؟ طبعاً هيهمس. الإجابة whispered. السؤال الرابع: We saw wonderful sculptures in the art. التماثيل بنشوفها فين؟ في مزرعة ولا معرض؟ أكيد في معرض فني. الإجابة gallery. A visit to the art gallery. You know, Lily was a young artist who loved to draw. So one Saturday, her family took her to a big art gallery. Oh, she was so excited. Wow, she whispered. Look at that. First, she saw these huge paintings on a canvas. She said, I wish I had my paintbrush and palette with me right now. Then they walked into a room with beautiful pottery and a giant wooden statue that an artist used to carve. It looked so strong and powerful. Lily also loved a strange, colorful sculpture. She even saw a huge, bright mural on the wall. Her mom pointed to a very old painting. This, she said, is a masterpiece. Lily felt so inspired by everything she saw. She couldn't wait to go home and start her own masterpiece right away. دلوقتي نجاوب. Why was Lily excited during her visit to the art gallery? نفكر من القصة. هل كانت زهقانة؟ لأ. هل كانت خايفة؟ لأ. هي كانت مبسوطة ليه؟ علشان شافت لوحات وتماثيل جميلة. يبقى الإجابة because she saw many amazing artworks. How did Lily feel at the end of the visit? Lily felt so inspired. She couldn't wait to go home and start her own masterpiece. Hello everyone. مرحباً بالجميع. Welcome to English with Mahmoud Ali. أهلاً بكم في قناة English with Mahmoud Ali. Today we will solve general exercises on lesson 1 step by step. النهاردة هنحل تدريبات الدرس الأول خطوة بخطوة. Exercise 1. True or false. تمرين صح أو خطأ. Number 1. Lily was a young singer. الجملة: Lily كانت مغنية صغيرة. False. خطأ، لأنها كانت رسامة مش مغنية. Number 2. Lily went to a big art gallery. Lily ذهبت إلى معرض فني كبير. True. صح. Number 3. The huge paintings were on a canvas. اللوحات الكبيرة كانت على قماش الرسم. True. صح. Number 4. Lily felt bored at the end of the visit. Lily شعرت بالملل في نهاية الزيارة. False. خطأ. كانت متحمسة. Exercise 2. Choose the correct answer. اختار الإجابة الصحيحة. Number 1. A paintbrush is a soft tool used by artists. الفرشاة أداة ناعمة يستخدمها الفنانون. Correct answer is B. Number 2. The final painting was a masterpiece. اللوحة النهائية كانت تحفة فنية. Correct answer is D. Number 3. She saw huge paintings on a canvas. رأت لوحات كبيرة على قماش الرسم. Correct answer is B. Number 4. Lily walked into a room. Lily دخلت غرفة. Correct answer is D. Exercise 3. Complete the text. أكمل النص. Gallery يعني معرض. Huge يعني ضخم. Palette يعني لوحة ألوان. statue يعني تمثال.
Lily was a young artist who loved to draw, so one Saturday her family took her to a big art gallery. She was so excited. First, she saw huge paintings on a canvas. She wished she had her paintbrush and palette with her. Then they walked into a room with beautiful pottery and a giant wooden statue that an artist used to carve. It looked so strong and powerful.
Exercise 4. Reading. القطعة.
Omar was a young photographer who loved taking pictures. One sunny Friday, his family took him to a big photo gallery. He was very excited to see all the beautiful works of art. First, he saw huge, colorful photos showing mountains, rivers, and cities at night. He thought about how amazing it was. Then, he walked into another room filled with old black and white portraits and creative photos. One large portrait of a famous singer looked so real and full of expressions. Omar's favorite part was a photo of the Nile shining under the moonlight. His mother pointed at it and said, "This is a true masterpiece." Omar felt inspired by everything he saw. He couldn't wait to go home and start taking wonderful pictures himself.
Choose the correct answer. This text is about a blank. الإجابة C. Photo gallery. لأن عمر راح معرض صور وشاف صور مختلفة. The underlined word amazing means blank. الإجابة A. Wonderful. Amazing معناها رائع. B. Answer the following questions. What was the mother's opinion of the photo of the Nile? الإجابة She said it was a true masterpiece. قالت إنه تحفة فنية حقيقية. Why did Omar love the portrait of the famous singer? الإجابة Because it looked very real and full of expressions. لأنه كان يبدو حقيقيا جدا ومليء بالتعبيرات. Summarize the first paragraph in one sentence. الإجابة Omar visited a photo gallery with his family and felt excited to see the photos. 5. Put the words in the correct order. The artist uses a palette to mix colors. The statue looks so strong and powerful. 6. Punctuate the following. The museum displayed beautiful stone sculptures. How did Lily feel after visiting the gallery?
Last Friday, I visited an art gallery with my family. We saw many beautiful things like paintings and a big sculpture. One artwork was a real masterpiece, and I liked it very much. The gallery was quiet and clean. I felt happy and inspired. I want to visit it again and learn more about art.